In 2026, India has stepped up its defense game with cutting-edge missile launcher upgrades that showcase not just military strength, but also technological brilliance. These developments aren't only about warfare, they highlight innovations that connect closely with the automobile industry. From hybrid power to AI-driven control systems, the technologies shaping India's missile launchers today are the same ones driving the next generation of cars on our roads. The highlight of India's 2026 defense upgrade is the enhanced Agni missile series and the Prahaar tactical missile system. These launchers, mounted on mobile platforms, have been modernized to improve mobility, accuracy, and range. Engineers have introduced lighter, more efficient materials, making the launchers faster and more reliable in tough terrain. Much like high-performance SUVs, these missile systems are expected to deliver stability, speed, and control under extreme conditions. One of the biggest breakthroughs this year is the move toward hybrid electric propulsion in India's missile carrier vehicles. The logic is simple but powerful. Electric drives allow near-silent movement, which provides stealth on the battlefield, while traditional fuel engines ensure endurance when range and raw power are required. Interestingly, this mirrors the auto industry's push in 2026, where hybrid and electric cars dominate new launches. Automakers and defense engineers are essentially solving the same problem: how to balance efficiency with performance. Artificial intelligence is another area where India's missile systems and car technology overlap. The 2026 launchers are being designed to work seamlessly with satellite systems and drones, processing real-time data to calculate precision strikes. This is very similar to how autonomous cars read their environment, interpret road conditions, and adjust instantly. In both cases, AI ensures smarter, safer, and faster decision-making. On the battlefield, it could mean the difference between victory and defeat. On the road, it could mean avoiding an accident. The upgraded Indian missile launchers also boast modularity, allowing them to deploy different types of missiles depending on the mission. This adaptability saves money and time, ensuring the same platform can serve multiple purposes. The auto industry has been following the same principle, where modular vehicle platforms allow manufacturers to build multiple car models on the same base. This kind of flexibility defines both industries in 2026. Let's talk about range and performance. The Agni V, India's next-generation intercontinental ballistic missile system under development, has been designed to extend its range up to 8,000 kilometers. The Prahaar tactical missile, meanwhile, is engineered for rapid deployment and precision at shorter ranges. These figures sound incredible when compared to cars, but the philosophy is the same: go farther, faster, and more efficiently. While India's missiles aim to cover vast distances in minutes, the 2026 cars are achieving 600 to 700 kilometers of electric range on a single charge. Both are chasing maximum output with minimum waste. Mobility and endurance are just as critical. India's missile launchers must travel across deserts, forests, and mountain roads to reach their positions. For that reason, engineers have developed advanced suspension systems and reinforced tires that can handle rough environments. This technology isn't confined to the battlefield. Similar innovations are trickling down into rugged SUVs and trucks built for adventurous drivers. The very components that allow a launcher to operate in remote Himalayan terrain may one day improve the durability of your off-road vehicle. India's defense scientists are also working on making these launchers smarter through digital integration. By 2026, the systems are expected to use secure communication networks that allow them to share battlefield data instantly with command centers. In the automotive world, we see a similar digital shift with connected cars that communicate with smart infrastructure, sending and receiving data in real time. Whether it's a missile launcher coordinating an attack or a car navigating through city traffic, the goal is the same: connected, intelligent mobility. Cost efficiency is another angle where the parallels are hard to miss. The Indian defense industry wants missile systems that can be maintained with less downtime and upgraded with software improvements rather than full overhauls. This is almost identical to how car makers are designing vehicles in 2026. Over-the-air software updates, modular parts, and predictive maintenance are now standard in cars, and defense is adopting the same thinking. From a car enthusiast's perspective, think of India's missile launchers as massive off-road beasts built to handle any environment. Their hybrid powertrains, rugged build, and adaptive systems could inspire features in the next generation of Indian SUVs and trucks. Just as automakers want drivers to feel safe and powerful on any terrain, the military wants its launchers to be unstoppable in the field. The technology overlap is impossible to ignore. Looking at these upgrades, it's clear that India's 2026 missile launchers represent much more than weapons. They are rolling test beds for the future of mobility, blending AI, electrification, and modular design. And just as important, they signal how civilian and military innovation continue to influence each other. What starts on the battlefield often finds its way into everyday life. So whether you're fascinated by defense technology or passionate about cars, the message is the same. Innovation is happening at lightning speed, and the boundaries between military vehicles and civilian cars are becoming thinner every year. India's 2026 missile launcher upgrades dawn just show us the future of defense. They offer a preview of the cars I'll be driving tomorrow. And that's why following these developments is about more than just weapons. It's about watching the evolution of technology itself, as the lessons learned in national defense shape the future of transportation and mobility for everyone.